in this tutorial, I'll try to cover how to integrate ChatGPT with Zoho CRM. So if we integrate ChatGPT with Zoho CRM, it should be the most beneficial service for us for writing the email, summarizing the contact sign template, and for many other purposes we can use it. So let's go to Zoho CRM. So this is the Zoho CRM interface. In Zoho CRM, we can send mail. For sending the email, we need to use or sometimes rewrite or paraphrase the articles or words or text something else. So integration with ChatGPT, it should be most easier and powerful features in CRM. So let's get started. First, go to the settings. Now go to the GIA section, Zoho Artificial Intelligence, and this is the Smart Prompt features. It is newly launched and it is still in beta version. Just click Smart Prompt. Now enable the prompt suggestion. You need to put the API key. So how to create the API key? Here is the details for creating the API key. Just click find your secret key, and it will redirect to these pages, and I have already created the API key. Now you can create the another one, Zoho CRM2. Click secret. Now copy it and paste it here. Now save it. But it is noted that it must need the paid version of ChatGPT to run it smoothly. Otherwise, it may not work properly. So we always suggest you to use the premium version of ChatGPT. And here is the details of helps document. You can learn more about these features. When you click on it, it's getting pop up. Just wait a bit. And you see here is the details documentation about how to use these features and how to configure these features. Hope this will help you a lot. So after integration, how you want to use it, just click on contacts. Now if I click here, and you see there is an option for send email. So if we click on send email, yeah, here you can use the ChatGPT's features. Try smart prompt. You can promote a new product, response to the customer complaint, welcome to a new customer, or open prompt. Yeah, it is the same prompt we write in ChatGPT, but it may not work properly in 3 version. Here are the suggestion: prompt a new product, response to a customer, or welcome to a customer. So I'm writing, can you send me or write me the name of state in USA. So it is showing that they are facing the technical failure. It is because we are on a trial version of ChatGPT. We are not using any paid version. So if you take the paid version, it will help you a lot. Okay. Even if you click here, once you install the ChatGPT, it's installed across all the Zoho system for GIA. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.